see the past week or so has taught you the enjoyment of living dangerously. It's bad enough to almost be exposed out in the field. What are you doing in a savage chair? If he comes in during the meeting, you can thank me later. Ladies and gentlemen, there are no hard and fast rules that guide what you do. But there are some fundamental principles that must be adhered to. Like, don't look in coffins without being told to, lest you end up filling one. Next time you go off the grid without permission, well, leave that it is. Mrs. Savage, it's good that you keep your team tight and you look out for them. You need to guide them so you don't end up answering to me every 5 minutes and get that look on your face. We're in the business of saving lives, not giving them hours. Now, I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news is, I'm not too certain where Tony is right now. The good news is, I know where you all are.
Sir, I got some information that Tony took a flight this morning.
And you got this information what time?
Sir, when I got the information, he was already on the flight.
I don't care. The minute you got it, whether it was halfway to Timbuktu or where, I need to know. Time is of the essence.
I'm waiting on information to know where he's going.
We're Savage.
He's been dark for a couple of days now, sir.
The good news is, we have 3 young men in custody and 3 rifles off the road.
So how do we handle this with the 3 of them?
First thing we do is keep the 3 of them apart. The one I spoke to this morning, he appears to be the leader.
I thought one of the cane runs.
Mm-hmm.
Him knocked me out.
Knockout?
What is most interesting is that he's not Haitian by birth. His parents are Jamaican.
There's something about that youth there that seem very tactical.
He volunteered to be part of the resistance from the age of 14.
Volunteer? Whisper, you get knockout?
He seems to have some very enviable skills. I will keep wondering if I didn't know better. When I asked his name, I almost expected to hear Mullins.